In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get WooCommerce Consumer Key. So in order to do that, what we can do is we first need to head over to WooCommerce.com. And then from in there, you can head over and click onto the Start Here option in order to create an account. Alternatively, you can also just click onto this login option that we can see right here. So just choose in here which one you wish to use. Once you have done that, you can actually just create an account using it, or if you already have an account, click on this login option. So here is my actual dashboard on my WordPress with WooCommerce installed right here. So I want to get the consumer key. In order to do that, we need to head over right here to the WooCommerce, and then in here you can see the settings option. Head over and then click on it. Once you have clicked on that, you can see in here the settings for it. So in here, just navigate to the advanced option. Once you're there, next thing you need to do is to just head over and then scroll down, or you can also just click onto this REST API option. Then from in here, click onto this create an API key. And in here, you can just input right here a description of the key. For example, let's just name this like this. Choose in here the user and choose in here the permission for this particular key. After that, click onto this generate. And in here, it should be able to show you in here the consumer key. Head over and copy that consumer key right here. And then just use it wherever you actually need to use it. You can also use the QR code if you would want. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.